Let's look at this plane geometry question. The diagram we have, the CE is parallel to AD, then the length of ED equals to EB equals to AB. You can see the mark there. So you have to find the value of M and N. So let's see. Now, if this is parallel to this, then the AE becomes a transversal line, right? And the transversal line produces what we call an alternate angle. So right away, we can say that this very angle, angle EAB, right? EAB will be equals to 40 degrees, which will be alternate angles. We know alternate angles are equal. If that is the case, this is marked with this, meaning triangle EAB is also an isosceles. Therefore, the base angles will be equal. So here will be 40, here will also be what? 40. So we say since triangle AEB is an isosceles, we can conclude that the angle we just found, EAB, will be equals to the very angle here, which will be AEB, which all equals what? 40 degrees. So this plus this will give us 40 degrees. Then what do we do? The sum of all of them will give us 180. We can add the first one, which is 40 degrees, the second one 40 degrees, plus the n degree to give us what? The 180, the sum of the angles in a triangle. So that is the sum of the interior angle of a triangle. So fast forward, you know your n will become 180 minus 40 plus 40 will be 80. So we have 100 degrees. So the n value will be 100 degrees. So we have n to be 100 degrees. Alright, now we have to focus on the m. Now, if CB and AD are parallel, then that simply means that the line EB is also a transversal, even though it is perpendicular. We don't even have the value. So we can say this is 90. So it's also going to be a transversal. That means the angle here, which will be angle DBE, here will be equals to the angle CEB. Let's check. CEB. The whole of this angle will be equal to this angle as an alternate angle, right? The whole of this equals to this. So that will be alternate angle. Then we can say that the angle CEB is equal to the angle here and this one. We found it already at the top there. That will be 40 degree plus 40 degree give us what? 80 degrees. So hence that implies that the angle DBE will also be what? 80 degrees. So here will be 80. The triangle here is also isosceles. So this angle will also be 80 degrees since they are going to be the base angle. So since triangle EBD is also isosceles, it implies that the angle we found, DBE, will be equals to the angle EDB. EDB. This angle will be equal to this angle. So all of them will be equals to 80 degrees. So what do? We say that from the triangle EBD, we can add all the angles inside to be equals to 180. So we only say that M plus this angle, which is 80 degrees plus this angle, 80 degrees, all will give us what? 180. The property is the sum of the interior angle. Therefore, M will be equals to 180 minus 80 plus 80, 160. That make M to be 20. So, therefore, M will be equals to 20 degrees. So, M is 20 degrees, N is what? 100 degrees. This is not the only properties we can use or the only way. There are other approaches we can pick. We can also pick this as this plus this being on a straight line. You find it is the same as this. Add them together, you get 180. There are so many ways we can get that. We can try that. Share your answer in the comment section. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.